begin this one with the critical disclaimer that liquor and bikes don't blend and that Autoblog not the slightest bit supports riding while inebriated. Clearly. All things considered, for this situation in any event the brand cross-fertilization has brought about a really sharp-looking bicycle. It's known as the Jack Daniel's Limited Edition Indian Scout Bobber, and it's the after-effect of a three-path coordinated effort between Indian Motorcycle, the Tennessee Bourbon creator and Clockworks Custom Cycles of Mitchell, SD. The current year's form of the restricted release Jack Daniel's motorbike, the third since 2016, is motivated by the Jack Daniel's Fire Brigade. Yes, the refinery has its own volunteer fire office and its armada of gold and dark fire trucks and planned as a tribute to firefighters and EMS experts all over. Only 177 cases, each separately numbered, will be delivered all-inclusive. The restricted release bicycle depends on the stripped-down 100-drive Indian Scout Bobber and its slashed front and back bumpers and bumpy tires, yet includes a few ultra-premium highlights. It gets an unpretentious two-tone dark matte paint, a first for an Indian bicycle, with genuine 24-karat gold illustrations on the fuel tank and bumpers, including the Fire Brigade insignia on the tank and the motto Jugs and Throttles Don't mix embellished on the front bumper. There's likewise a punctured calfskin situate with JD weaving, in addition to custom grasps, pegs, and move levers roused by the old No. 7 brand. Also covered with 24-karat gold is a unique, exclusively numbered identification from Montana Silversmiths. The bicycle goes on special all around beginning at 12 on March 13, with orders taken through Indian Motorcycle Merchants, yet you better act quick. Previous year models sold out in as meager as 10 minutes. Evaluating wasn't reported, however will move from the Scout Bobbers beginning MSRP of $11,499. Conveyances begin in August and accompany a dedicatory firefighter's hatchet engraved with the proprietor's name, bike number, and VIN. Furthermore, Indian and Jack Daniel's will have a sweepstakes open just to firefighters and EMS people on call for Win Bicycle No. 001 at occasions including Daytona Bike Week, the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally and the Fire Department Instructors Conference.